Public relations, often shortened to PR, is about managing the reputation of a company. It involves a strategic communication process that builds mutually beneficial relationships between organizations and their publics. This can include customers, employees, investors, media, and the general public. It's about building strong relationships with the public, including customers, journalists, and investors. These relationships are crucial for the long-term success of any organization. By fostering trust and understanding, PR helps to create a positive image and a supportive environment for the company. PR professionals work to create a positive image for their clients and to control how they are perceived by the outside world. They do this through various means such as media relations, social media management, and community engagement. Their goal is to ensure that the public sees their clients in the best possible light. This involves crafting compelling stories, managing media relations, and engaging with stakeholders across various platforms. PR professionals must be skilled communicators, able to convey their client's message clearly and effectively. They also need to be adept at crisis management, ready to respond quickly and appropriately to any negative publicity. PR is not just about getting your name in the headlines. It's about creating a consistent and positive narrative that aligns with your company's values and goals. This narrative helps to build a strong brand identity and fosters loyalty among your audience. It's about building trust and credibility over time. Trust is a key component of any successful relationship, and PR helps to establish and maintain that trust. By being transparent and honest in your communications, you can build a reputation for reliability and integrity. By consistently communicating your company's values and achievements, you can establish a strong reputation that will benefit your business in the long run. This includes highlighting your successes, sharing your vision for the future, and demonstrating your commitment to your stakeholders. A good PR strategy can help you attract new customers, strengthen relationships with existing ones, and build a loyal following. It can also help to differentiate your brand from the competition, making you stand out in a crowded marketplace. In today's digital age, PR is more important than ever before. The rise of social media and the 24/7 news cycle means that information spreads quickly and widely. This can be both an opportunity and a challenge for businesses. With the rise of social media and the 24/7 news cycle, it's easier than ever for negative information to spread like wildfire. A single negative comment or review can quickly go viral, damaging your reputation and affecting your bottom line. A strong PR team can help you stay ahead of the curve and manage your online reputation effectively. They can monitor social media for mentions of your brand, respond to negative comments and reviews, and work to promote positive content. This proactive approach can help to mitigate the impact of any negative publicity and ensure that your brand is seen in a positive light. They can monitor social media for mentions of your brand, respond to negative comments and reviews, and work to promote positive content. This involves not only addressing any issues that arise, but also actively engaging with your audience to build a positive and supportive community around your brand. PR is an essential part of any successful business strategy. It helps to build and maintain a positive image, manage relationships with key stakeholders, and support your overall business goals. By integrating PR into your business strategy, you can ensure that your communications are aligned with your objectives and that you are effectively reaching your target audience. By investing in PR, you can build a strong reputation, manage your public image, and achieve your business goals. This investment can pay off in many ways, from increased customer loyalty and brand recognition to improved employee morale and investor confidence. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, PR can help you succeed in today's competitive marketplace. By building strong relationships, managing your reputation, and effectively communicating your message, you can create a solid foundation for long-term success. At its core, PR is about communication. It's the art and science of conveying messages that not only inform, but also inspire and engage. It's about crafting messages that resonate with your target audience, ensuring that your words and actions align with their values and expectations, and building relationships with those who can help you spread the word. These relationships are the backbone of any successful PR strategy. Positive communication is essential for building trust and credibility. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. When you communicate in a positive and transparent way, people are more likely to believe what you have to say. Transparency fosters trust, and trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. Encouraging positive feedback from customers and journalists is crucial for a successful PR strategy. Positive feedback acts as social proof, validating your brand's promises and claims. When customers have a positive experience with your brand, encourage them to share their feedback online or with their friends and family. Word of mouth remains one of the most powerful forms of marketing. Positive customer reviews and testimonials can be incredibly valuable for building trust and credibility. They serve as endorsements that can sway potential customers in your favor. Journalists are always looking for interesting stories to tell. They seek content that will captivate their audience and provide value. If you can provide them with compelling content that is relevant to their audience, they are more likely to write about your brand. This can significantly boost your brand's visibility and reputation. Build relationships with journalists by following them on social media, engaging with their work, and offering them exclusive access to information about your company. This can lead to more favorable coverage and a stronger media presence. Remember that building a positive reputation takes time and effort. It's a continuous process that requires dedication and consistency. It's not something that can be achieved overnight. Patience and perseverance are key. However, by consistently communicating in a positive and transparent way, you can build trust with your target audience and create a positive image for your brand. Over time, this will lead to stronger relationships, increased loyalty, and a more robust reputation. Positive communication also fosters a collaborative environment within your organization. When team members feel heard and valued, they are more likely to contribute their best ideas and efforts. Leaders who communicate positively can inspire and motivate their teams, leading to higher morale and productivity. Celebrating successes and acknowledging achievements through positive communication can reinforce a culture of appreciation and recognition. Mentorship and guidance are also enhanced through positive communication. When leaders provide constructive feedback in a supportive manner, it helps in the professional growth of their team members. In external communications, a positive approach can make your presentations and pitches more engaging and persuasive. It helps in capturing the audience's attention and keeping them interested. Networking events are another opportunity to practice positive communication. By being genuinely interested in others and expressing yourself clearly and positively, you can make lasting connections. Ultimately, the power of positive communication lies in its ability to build bridges, foster understanding, and create a supportive and thriving environment for both your brand and your team. Building strong relationships with the media is an essential aspect of public relations. It's not just about getting your story out there. It's about creating a network of trusted contacts who can help amplify your message. Journalists and media outlets can act as powerful amplifiers for your brand's message, providing a platform that can reach a much wider audience than your own channels alone. This reach can significantly influence public perception, shaping how your brand is viewed by the masses. A well-placed story can enhance your credibility and establish your brand as a leader in your industry. Start by identifying the media outlets and journalists who cover your industry or target audience. This involves thorough research to understand who the key players are and what kind of stories they typically cover. Follow their work, engage with their content, and understand their editorial focus. This will help you tailor your pitches to align with their interests and increase the likelihood of your story being picked up. When you reach out, personalize your pitch and highlight the newsworthy angle that aligns with their interests. A generic pitch is less likely to catch their attention, so make sure to show that you've done your homework. Nurturing relationships with the media is an ongoing process. It's not enough to make contact once and expect results. You need to consistently engage and provide value. Attend industry events, participate in press conferences, and offer your expertise as a source for their stories. Being visible and accessible can make a big difference in how journalists perceive you. Building trust and credibility with journalists takes time, but it can result in valuable media coverage and positive brand exposure. Trust is earned through consistent, reliable interactions and by providing accurate information. Remember that media relations is a two-way street. It's not just about what the media can do for you, but also what you can offer them in return. Be responsive to their inquiries, provide them with accurate and timely information, and be respectful of their deadlines. Journalists work on tight schedules, and your cooperation can make their job easier. By fostering mutually beneficial relationships, you can leverage the power of the media to enhance your brand's visibility and reputation. This symbiotic relationship can lead to long-term benefits for both parties, creating a win-win situation. Hosting media tours or exclusive events can also be an effective way to build relationships. These events provide journalists with first-hand experience of your brand, making your story more compelling and authentic. Ensure that you provide comprehensive press kits that include all necessary information such as press releases, high-quality images, and relevant data. This makes it easier for journalists to cover your story accurately. Ultimately, the goal is to build a rapport that goes beyond professional interactions. Genuine relationships are built on trust, respect, and mutual benefit, leading to more meaningful and impactful media coverage. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, crises can arise unexpectedly, threatening a company's hard-earned reputation. Public relations plays a crucial role in crisis management, helping businesses navigate these turbulent times and emerge stronger. The key to effective crisis management is preparedness. Have a plan in place that outlines the steps to take in various crisis scenarios. This includes identifying a crisis communication team, establishing communication protocols, and preparing holding statements to address potential issues promptly. Transparency and honesty are paramount during a crisis. Acknowledge the situation, take responsibility where appropriate, and communicate openly with stakeholders. Avoid speculation or defensive responses, as they can further damage your credibility. Social media has become a critical battleground during crises. Monitor online conversations closely, respond to concerns with empathy and accuracy, and use your social media platforms to share updates and address misinformation. Remember that speed and transparency are crucial in the digital age.